Students, this class we are going to learn about two theorems. Theorem 3.3, the law of cosines. Listen the statement. In triangle ABC, we have cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. Cos B is C square plus A square minus B square by 2CA. Cos C is A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. Listen, cos A is, again, minus A square, B is minus B square, C is minus C square. Okay, denominator is, now you take B square plus C square first, the denominator write BC term. Here, CA. Cos C is minus C square, the remaining term write in positive sign and write the term. And the same term you write in the denominator, A and B. Okay, what are the coefficients we use in the numerator? That numerator value write in the denominator place, A, B. Right, study the statement, okay. Listen the diagram. In triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC. A opposite side, you take the small letter A. This length is A. This B opposite take B, and C angle opposite you take C. Okay, A opposite this A letter, B opposite small letter B, C opposite you take small letter C. Listen the proof part. In triangle ABC, draw AD perpendicular to BC. In triangle ABD, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. See the figure. Take the right triangle ABD. ABD, already you know the Pythagoras theorem. What's the definition? Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. So, AB is hypotenuse side. AB square is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides is AD square plus BD square. AD square plus BD square. So, we get this line. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Already you took AB is C. So, AB square is C square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Next side, in a right triangle ADC. See the figure. See the right triangle ADC. Using this C angle, say sin C. Sin C is opposite side is AD and hypotenuse is AC. So, sin C is equal to AD by AC. AD by AC. But AC is B. Okay. So, sin C is equal to AD by B. So, here we get sin C is equal to AD by AC. AD is equal to AC sin C. So, AD is B sin C because AC is B. Okay. So, this like you complete cos C value. Find out cos C using this figure. Cos C is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is CD by hypotenuse is AC. Okay, so cos C is DC by AC. Take the cross product. DC is equal to AC cos C, but AC is B. So DC is equal to B cos C. But we use the diagram. BD is equal to, what's the value? See the figure. BC is equal to BD plus DC. BC is equal to BD plus DC. So, BD is equal to, what's the value? BC minus DC. Okay. So, here you substitute BD is equal to BC minus DC. BC is already you took A. DC is B cos C. You substitute here. So, BD is equal to A minus B cos C. So, now you completed AD and BD value. Here you substitute AD and BD value. So, 1 implies C square is equal to AD is B sin C and BD is A minus B cos C. So, AD square is B sin C the whole square plus BD square is A minus B cos C the whole square. So, B sin C the whole square is B square sin square C plus here you write A minus B the whole square. What's the formula? A minus B the whole square? A square plus B square minus 2AB. So, here A minus B cos C the whole square is A square plus B square cos square C minus 2ab cos c, or a square minus 2ab cos c plus b square is b cos c the whole square. B cos c the whole square is b square cos square c. Now you combined b square sin square c and b square cos square c. End to end you combined. So take the common factor b square outside. So we get sin square c plus cos square c. Already you know the trigonometry identity. What's the value? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square c plus cos square c is equal to 1. So c square is equal to b square plus a square minus 2ab cos c. So minus 2ab cos c, you take left side. So 2ab cos c is equal to b square plus a square. The c square also you take right side minus c square. Then what's the value of cos c? Cos c is equal to b square plus a square minus c square by 2ab. So this like complete the balance part. So similarly we can prove the other results using this one, or we take the other triangles, calculate the other results. Hence proved. 3.4 projection formula. So state and prove projection formulas. You should write the statement. Okay, in triangle ABC we have a is equal to b cos c plus c cos b, and the second one is b is equal to c cos a plus a cos c. Third one is c is equal to a cos b plus b cos a. Okay, so a is left side, then you write b. B is next to the angle is c, and c is the angle is b. Okay, any one of the results you study thorough and find out the proof of any one of the results. Okay, so listen the proof. We consider the triangle ABC, AD perpendicular BC, and take the height is h, and A opposite take small a, B opposite take small b, and C opposite take small c. So in triangle ABC we have A is equal to BC. Draw AD perpendicular to BC. So A is equal to B add, that is BC. BC is equal to BD plus DC. Okay, BC is equal to BD plus DC. So BC is A is equal to we get BD plus DC. Now one small adjustment, you multiply and divide AB by AB. Okay, so AB and AB cancel, again we get BD only. So one small adjustment, you multiply and divide AB in the first term, and the AC multiply and divide in the second term. So BD by AB into AB plus DC by AC into AC. So BD by AB. See the figure and find out the answer. BD by AB. BD by AB is, we take B angle. What's the value of cos B? Opposite side is AD. Adjacent side is BD. Hypotenuse is AB. Okay, B opposite side name is opposite side. This one is nearest side is adjacent side, and the slanting line is the hypotenuse. So cos B is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So BD by AB is, what's the value? Cos B. So here you write cos B into AB is C. Okay, cos B into C plus next one is DC by AC. DC by AC. So DC by AC is this side angle you selected, cos C. Cos C is equal to opposite side AD, adjacent side A, this DC, hypotenuse is AC. Okay, so cos C is equal to CD by AC. CD by AC. So DC by AC is equal to, can write cos C into AC is B. Okay, so cos B into C plus cos C into B. Next line. So A is equal to First you write the beta. B cos C plus C cos B. This is the proof part. A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Similarly, we can prove the other results. Hence, proved. Dear students, take the notes and study thorough the theorems. Thank you, students.